பாலின சமத்துவத்தையும் பெண்களின் பலத்தையும் சிறப்பாக எடுத்துரைத்த சிறப்பு விருந்தினர் அவர்களுக்கு நன்றி. இறுதி நிகழ்வாக நன்றியுரை நல்குமாறு என் கல்லூரியின் ஆங்கிலத்துறை பேராசிரியர் அஷ்ரப் அலி கான் ஐயா அவர்களை அழைக்கின்றேன்.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pleasant morning, everybody. I feel privileged to have been invited to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of the Department of English. First of all, I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to our correspondent, Ali Janab Al-Haj, Said Abrar Ahmad Sahib, and our principal, Dr. Zahir Ahmad Sir, for their constant guidance and encouragement. Let me take this opportunity to thank the keynote speaker, Mr. Satya Ma'am, whom I know very well when my grandson was studying there. Ma'am, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for sharing your valuable insights on gender equity with us. And I must tell you that our students have benefited a lot from your motivational talk. No, they have listened to you. They are a bit mischievous. Okay. I thank the heads of Tamil, Urdu and English departments and of course my colleagues for hosting such a fantabulous event. Last but not least, as Madam has rightly said, our student friends and technical staff for their cooperation and support, without which the program would not have been a great success. Thank you very much.